The Manitoba government says they're one step closer to $10 a day childcare, following an announcement from the federal and provincial government to expand eligibility for childcare subsidies. Manitoba is reducing out-of-pocket fees for parents with children in regulated care by 30% on average, increasing its annual subsidy funding by more than $82 million, with a little over $64 million coming in from the federal government.
Manitoba will now expand its childcare subsidy program, and up to 12,000 additional children will receive support, particularly those in low and middle-income families.
The new eligibility applies to children from 12 weeks to 12 years old, allowing households with an average net income between $23,000 to just over $37,000 to apply for a full subsidy, while households netting between $37,000 to around $82,000 can apply for a partial subsidy.
As we have seen over the course of the pandemic, access to childcare is absolutely vital to ensuring women and families can continue to work and provide critical services to Manitobans.
Manitoba's Premier, Heather Stefanson, says in a post-pandemic future, access to childcare will be a key element to rebuilding our economy. Adding Thursday's announcement means triple the number of kids are eligible for subsidized childcare starting Sunday.
Affordability, although it's a critical part of system building, it's one component of system building. And we know that system building of a high-quality early learning and childcare system is multidimensional.
Jody Kell, Executive Director of the Manitoba Childcare Association, says early childhood educators and home-based providers are at the heart of quality childcare. And as Canada works towards a $10 a day average childcare cost, the policy has to include a workforce strategy as well.
It will not be transformative without that strategy. And so MCC is anxious to hear, and it's excited to hear about upcoming and much needed investments into the existing workforce.
A statement from the Manitoba Childcare Association says the province's early learning and childcare sector is currently in distress, facing critical staffing shortages. Adrian Sala with the NDP Caucus Childcare Committee says in an email sent to City News, after all the disrespect and hardship the PCs have put Manitoba childcare centres through, this federal announcement is welcome news, but it's disappointing to see the province commit to 20% fewer childcare spaces than any other province in this agreement. Trudeau says Manitoba has shown itself to be a leader among the provinces on affordable childcare, and that while improving access to childcare has been a goal for years, the pandemic has been a catalyst for moving faster on the issue.
This pandemic really woke everyone up in the business community, across the political spectrum, to say, wow, we need to make sure we have affordable, high-quality childcare.
Full details on the childcare subsidy plan can be found on the province's website. In Winnipeg, Mark Neufeld, City News.